Hey guys, I'm back again because it's Sunday and it's time to do a little car vid. Like I was talking about last week, I've done my power for my amps and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, got heaps of grunt running up to the back now. Car's like in more of a better state of polish now, so we've got nice looking paint everywhere. Looks like it might be rego next week. Had a bit of a play with that ball joint too. It's just a loose bolt, so tighten that up. So everything's looking cool in there. She's ready to go. No more excuses. And yeah, I've been playing with a bit of audio stuff too. So I've got the back end semi wound up. I've just tuned in all of my voltage levels for my inputs on the amps and have everything sounding really good. So yes, it's real cool. So I guess without further ado, we might get some volume up and have a play. The audio I'm using is some I guess what they call it trap bass music, or it's pretty rappy, but you know, it's made for bass and all that. So I'm throwing this track on now just to show you.
All I gotta do is hit her. Yeah. All I gotta do is hit her. Word. I seen her at the spot. She came up talking. Her and her other friends. I noticed in my head was walking. She said, "Aren't you safe?" Yeah, she said she know it. She said that I was cute and dope and really dug the movement. She said that she often had thoughts of us hanging out. Her home all alone, movies on the couch. Said her cousin stay with her, but she moving out. Or she can come through, top down, paper town. I don't know her name, but she's sexy. She said that we can trade numbers, so later she can text me. Take me high in the sky while I'm sitting like a Jessie. Said her kisses every Nestle, over wet like a Jessie Ice. She tryna say she nice. Man, this chick already texted me twice. She got cash, trying to get a slice. Go get her, numbers moving like she said I'm hella fresh. She said she wanna kick it, see my Facebook status. She said she what I'm missing. She said that she a diamond, she shine while she glisten. She said that I'm a star, trying to reach me is a mission. All I gotta do is hit her. Yeah. All I gotta do is hit her. She hit me from the side. Her and her friends sipping, tipping. Two of them taking, dating. But they man's tripping, slipping. So there ain't no kicking or no hating. Your bros if you with them getting. Arts now, you can leave it as you should have hit them. Either way, she wanna see me 3D. Head spinning like a BG CD. When she said she wanna 103 me, I like them odds, whole game, but I need a beat. Yeah. She takes what's good, I reply, see I'm right near your hood. Slap dividing and I should probably retire to my woods where I reside. But now my eyes wide, feeling astonishingly good, yeah. Basically I'm trying to see you. In my zone like the 3-2. Pockets green like some pea soup. The game pursue what we do. She right like she said I'm hella fresh. She said she wanna kick it, see my Facebook status. She said she what I'm missing. She said that she is diamond. She shine while she glisten. She said that I'm a star, trying to reach me as a mission. All I gotta do is hit her. Yeah. All I gotta do is hit her.
So there you go. That was pretty sick. I'm loving it. It's love it. It's unreal. It sounds really awesome. The sub has got a lot of catching up to do. It's flexing, right? It's got flex big time. That's bumping about 38 mil there. Even more, like it might be about 40 mil of excursion going on with that little 8. So she's pumping. It's working, but if I get that into the right box, I tell you what, I'm gonna get the bass back up to the rest of the level of the car. It's really clear, it's crisp as. The microphone might not be doing it justice, but it's crisp as. It sounds really good. I'm super stoked with the clarity. I just need to get more boom in there to fill that clarity up. And I think I've got myself a cool little system. I might even just go and chuck it into a little audio comp and see what she is running in decibels and stuff for a laugh, because I don't know, I might be surprised. Yeah, you got to be here to sort of feel it, I guess. So anyway, guys, that's my cool little entry for the day. So have a good one. Catch you all soon.